Hi, I'm Nissa, and I opened my membership last October and went into the process kind of blindly. With the help of my partner, we put a bunch of courses together to help our members lose weight and improve their health. We held a webinar, opened the doors, and hoped for the best. Since we began our Keto Decoded membership, I've been really lost on how to retain members longer than a few months and also how to grow our membership. While I feel like the courses are a really great value, I still found myself hiding because I didn't know what to offer the members beyond the courses. Tribe has given me so many ideas that I've already begun putting into action. I now have weekly live videos where I spotlight our members' successes, both big and small. I've added more personality to my posts and to the support group to help others connect and bond with each other so our group feels more like a tight-knit community. I no longer hide from my members, and instead I'm there to cheer them on every step of the way. In fact, after I implemented my very first tribe tactic, a member wrote that she was just about to cancel, but changed her mind because she realized the value of the membership when she heard her special shout out during a live video. I'm just scratching the surface, and I'm really excited to see how the strategies I learn in Tribe will continue to change my business.